Well, he's going to trial. That's the word from an Ingham County courtroom late today.
Sports physician Dr. Larry Nassar has been bound over on 12 sexual assault charges. And for the first time, we heard from Nassar himself. Let's get to Mara McDonald. Some very important video was played in court. Mara.
It sure was, Devin. It was Nassar being interviewed by an MSU detective. And for the first time, we get to hear how he explains what happened in those treatment rooms. Take a listen.
I try my best to be appropriate, professional.
Dr. Larry Nassar being interviewed by a detective from the Michigan State University Police who lays the allegations of sexual assault out in front of him, questioning him about his vaginal penetration of multiple female athletes. Currently, dozens of former athletes, both from his gymnastic days and employment at MSU, are alleging he would use his hands to sexually assault them, all while having visible erections.
I'm not purposely trying to get arousal from doing any treatment. I mean, come on. You know, I mean, I'm not purposely trying to gain some type of sexual gratification out of doing that. That's not what I'm doing.
Nassar told the detective he wasn't looking for sexual satisfaction, but that's exactly what the Attorney General's office is alleging Nassar did do. And now a judge has bound him over on 12 different counts of sexual assault in connection with 6 different athletes, all who were young girls at the time. Nassar was considered the gold standard in care.
He convinced these girls that this was some type of legitimate treatment by the mere fact of who he was and how he was doing it so easily. Why would they ever question him? Why would they question this gymnastics god as an 11 and a 12, a 14-year-old, a 13-year-old with very limited life experience to compare it to?
Back here live, these criminal charges that were bound over for trial today are just the beginning for Dr. Nassar. Realize that there are easily 100 women who are looking to sue him civilly. And potentially, Devin and Kimberly, we could have more criminal charges against him as well. Back to you.
That's what's so important to remember in this case, Mara. This is just a portion of what Nassar is facing, really.
That's right, because he also has a child pornography case, not in circuit court, but in federal court. So he's facing a mind-boggling amount of legal wrangling in front of him, criminal as well as civil. Back to you.
Long way to go. All right, Mara.